Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Bloom application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. This application is specialized in mental health and self-care. So if you click on the today button, here is like the main page where you can find different programs related to mental health and self-care. You can find different programs, and you can search within categories. For example, sadness, where you can find very educative programs on problems like unhappy in a relationship or coping with disappointment. You can also check your statistics on mood, emotions, sleep, energy, and so on. You can check your session histories, you can bookmark sessions, and in the settings section you can manage your subscription and notifications. So overall it's a very useful application if you're interested in these topics regarding mental health. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.